Even the most beautiful kitchen can be ruined by one thing: the kitchen stink. Over time, food waste and grunge can build up in your garbage disposer, making it smell less than pleasant and underperform. Glisten Garbage Disposer Cleaner is powerfully formulated with a bleach alternative to scrub away the toughest layers of grunge quickly, efficiently, and easily. The foaming action deep clings to grunge and waste, thoroughly cleaning your disposer blades and sidewalls, under the splash guard, and all the way down the drain pipe. Plus, it now has the added boost of Plink, the leading garbage disposer freshener. In no time at all, your disposer and your kitchen will smell fresh and clean and work like new. Glisten Garbage Disposer Cleaner is made with natural ingredients and is safe for weekly use in any disposer, sink drain, and septic system. Get rid of kitchen stink with Glisten Garbage Disposer Cleaner.